Hello, Leos. This month the focus shifts inwards. You are going to dig deep to find answers. What makes you tick? How is your mental health and your emotional health? Some of you will work on healing yourself, and this is a good period to take a step back, to be gentle and patient with yourself, to maybe find what is coming in the way, what are your habits, what can you change, especially when it comes to your financial matters and your savings. I think you will have to understand if there are some unhealthy patterns that are associated with your spending. This is also a period where you are going to look beyond the obvious. Your intuition is going to be strong, and you're not going to take things at face value. So there is a possibility that you will not take nonsense from anybody. You may appear as a little dominating or controlling, but I think that you will be able to look at things which are not obvious to everybody. Make sure you give people space.